Hey there everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. So I am going to be doing this totally unscripted because I've tried a million times and dogs keep barking, so I gave up. I'm doing it unscripted. So I'm choosing my project. I ended up choosing Pretty Pink Posh-Flourishing Fuchsias. Stamped them out the other day. I typically do that when I get a stamp set. And I started coloring it just to test it out, see if I like the color. It was a new color. I'm using Quinacridone Purple from Daniel Smith and my silver black velvet brush number 6. So I'm going to be coloring one flower in for you. I did speed it up a bit because, well, it's speeded up a lot, but I take forever watercoloring. So if I left it all in, you'd be sitting here for a day and a half. So I sped it up a little, I zoomed it in for you. I'm going to leave you with this one flower and I'll be back. Okay, time for card assembly. I used my stitch rectangle die by My Favorite Things and I cut out a frame. So I'm framing up my card. I'm using fog, Simon says stamp, boy I can't talk today, fog cardstock. And the frame is made out of Tonic Studios Pearlescent specialty paper in pearl white. So I spent a little time rearranging my flourishing fuchsias, and I had a bugger of a time getting them in the frame set right. I don't know. I was having a very hard time with this card in general. It just wasn't meshing properly. And I still, to be honest with you, I didn't like it at the end. But you know what? Every card can't be a masterpiece, so... You know, and a lot of times I frequently don't like a card and people do like it, so I figured I'd publish this anyway. And I always persevere through the card. I don't throw it away. I just keep on going. A lot of times what happens is I don't like it and then I get to the end of it and I do like it, or I'm happy with it enough. So I didn't hate this card. It wasn't one of my best though. So I'm finally getting everything organized and glued down. I had to cut some of the stems off and cut some of the flowers a little bit just to arrange them properly. Now I'm going to mess with the sentiment. I have a sentiment by Little Bee, and I also cut that out of that paper. So that's the end of it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and I will be back soon with another video. Matter of fact, I'll be back again today. I have 2 that I'm rendering. Alright, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.